On the high Andean ridges, ancient stone cities sit silent above the clouds. Hundreds of miles away, in the capital, the Pacific crashes against relentless industrial core and a skyline of modern glass towers. This is a major economic engine driven by unmatched mineral reserves and a high-value agricultural sector that exports to every corner of the globe. Tapping into this environment requires navigating extreme, punishing altitude variations and maintaining sharp urban street smarts at all times. Success depends on mastering the rules of living and earning across 3 distinct geographic zones, each with its own set of logistical demands. Peru is a high-utility fortress for those capable of handling its terrain. Welcome to the 135th reality. Foreign earnings carry exceptional weight in this environment. When hard currency is converted into the Peruvian sol, the purchasing power of the US dollar stretches further than almost anywhere else in South America. In Lima's premium coastal sectors, like Miraflores, a modernized one-bedroom apartment averages between $350 and $600 a month. In the historic mountain hubs of the interior, like Cusco, those rates drop further, often falling below $250 a month. Western passports from the US, UK, EU, and Canada receive between 90 and 183 days visa-free upon arrival. Indian passports unlock 180 days if paired with a valid Schengen, US, or UK visa. Extended stays and high currency leverage allow foreign income to sustain a high-tier lifestyle at a fraction of the cost. Life here centers on a culinary culture that has secured the world's highest gastronomic awards for years. A high-quality menú del día costs between $3 and $6. The national icon is ceviche, fresh raw fish cured in lime juice, seasoned with red onions and fiery rocoto chilies, and served with giant Andean corn. The geography is split into 3 vertical slices: the arid western coast, the freezing high Andes, and the humid Amazon basin. From November to April, the Andean highlands experience torrential rains that make mountain trail loops difficult and often dangerous. The window for mountain operations opens from May to September. During this dry season, skies over Machu Picchu and Cusco are typically clear and sunny. Utilizing the high-end lifestyle requires aligning your movements with these severe geographic and seasonal timelines. Operating on the ground means navigating a complex landscape that requires high alertness. Immigration control is strict. Arrive with at least 6 months of passport validity and a printed return flight ticket to clear the border. In major cities, daytime smartphone snatching and sophisticated tourist scams are persistent issues that demand constant street awareness. Standard protocols include avoiding sectors like Callao after dark and strictly using registered ride apps like Cabify or Uber to move between districts. There is also a biological cost. Flying into the alpine regions creates immediate altitude shock, requiring Ceviche pills to manage the thin mountain air. Success in the urban grid and the high peaks depends on tactical preparation and a refusal to underestimate the environment. Modern Pacific urban life sits atop a foundation of Quechua traditions that remain alive in the streets and mountain markets. This is the birthplace of the potato, where over 4,000 unique varieties are still cultivated across the Andean valleys. In the coastal desert, 1,500-year-old geoglyphs like the Nazca lines are etched into the earth, ancient symbols that can only be understood from high altitude. Peru rewards those who can adapt. It offers an elite base of operations for foreigners who can balance its rugged demands with its deep lifestyle advantages. Would you baseline your next remote workspace here? Tell us in the comments. Next stop, the Philippines, the digital outsourcing capital of Southeast Asia. Make sure to subscribe to stay real.